Most enterprise networks rely on a standard set of perimeter defenses. Firewalls, network address translation, and intrusion detection systems stand at the edge, scanning incoming traffic to keep unauthorized actors out. IT administrators often configure these tools to aggressively monitor and filter IPv4, the standard communication language of the Internet. If an unauthorized IPv4 packet tries to enter, the firewall drops it. But inside the network, there is a discrepancy. The modern endpoint operating systems used on every workstation, like Windows or macOS, have a newer Internet protocol, IPv6, enabled by default. The perimeter is speaking one language, while the devices on the inside are actively configured to speak another. This creates a functional mismatch between what the security tools can see and what the internal network can actually do. Attackers are leveraging these modern operating systems. They automatically deploy built-in transition technologies to seek out IPv6 connections on the Internet, even if the local network is strictly IPv4 only. These transition protocols quietly open communication pathways that legacy IPv4 security checks do not recognize, allowing traffic to move through the perimeter without being analyzed. Attackers are leveraging these exact automatic pathways. They use them to slide past edge defenses and breach enterprise networks from the outside in, often remaining undetected for long periods. Right now, most IPv4-only defenses treat this traffic as non-existent. They are effectively ignoring a high-speed communication channel they have no capacity to monitor. The mechanical trick attackers use to exploit this oversight is a process called tunneling. This illustrates 6 and 4 tunneling. Watch how the malicious IPv6 packet is completely enclosed inside a standard IPv4 shell. This outer shell receives a tag reading Protocol 41. The firewall inspects only this outer shell, reads Protocol 41 as valid, and waves the traffic through. Once the packet gets past the firewall and unpacks itself inside the network, the internal intrusion detection system is entirely unequipped to read the hidden malware signatures. The tunneling process reduces a highly expensive firewall to a superficial checkpoint. It verifies the disguise but ignores the actual contents. While 6 and 4 requires some specific configurations to work, there is a much more aggressive tunneling protocol called Teredo, built into many systems as a last resort connection method. Internal devices are protected by NAT. This system acts as a shield, blocking uninvited connections from the Internet from ever reaching individual employee computers. But this diagram shows how Teredo bypasses that protection. It hides an IPv6 packet inside a standard UDP datagram and punches right through the NAT filter. Once inside, it unpacks on the host machine to form a direct, sustained link to the outside. Once established, attackers compromise internal routers, alter core network security policies, and leak VPN traffic publicly of private networks. Network administrators cannot safely ignore the existence of IPv6 on their systems. The immediate fix requires adopting a strict defy-deny policy for all transition traffic. Here, a firewall interface is configured to actively reject and drop any IPv4 packets bearing the Protocol 41 tag. It then adds a second hard block targeting and destroying outward bound traffic aimed at port 3544, stopping the Teredo initialization process. The final required step takes place off the perimeter. IT teams must go directly to every individual host machine on the local network and manually disable all automatic transition mechanisms in the operating system. Edge defenses will continually fail if the internal endpoints remain configured to actively seek out these vulnerabilities. The Internet is currently grinding through a messy, decades-long migration from IPv4 to IPv6. For enterprise networks, this overlap is a period of maximum vulnerability. Until an IT team upgrades their infrastructure to natively inspect and secure IPv6 traffic, they have to actively hunt for these hidden, encapsulated pathways. Private network security is compromised by the automatic background protocols that were intended to modernize it.